When the Brits took over mines from the Boers, it was wrong. Why then do you downplay when the Boers took over land from the black people and try to act like that's not wrong? When it happened to the Boers, it's wrong. When the Boers do it to someone else, it's not wrong. That's not Christian. Willem, a Bantustan is just a really big concentration camp, Sian.
As these people started moving into the cities at that stage were not segregated. It was actually quite a uh, anomaly worldwide to have cities that were not segregated in the early 20th century. And this meant that all of the black people that were moving in from their homelands, as well as the Boer farmers that were moving in there to find some jobs in the cities, were basically living informally amongst one another. And the people at that stage, especially the Afrikaners or the descendants of the Boer people, and even the Boer people who fought in the wars, came into the city, and it was something entirely new to them. They were used to living on a farm where everything was safe, where they had their own space, and now suddenly they are living like sardines amongst all these different races of people, or all these ethnicities, or all these peoples that they didn't know and that they never actually had much contact with. The first thing that was their grievance living in these unsegregated cities during the 1920s was crime. They specifically petitioned the then government of Jan Smuts and said, we need to do something about the crime problem in our areas. They came from the Boer republics, which had a virtually non-existent crime rate, into these unsegregated cities, and suddenly they were facing huge swaths of crime. And they started petitioning Jan Smuts and said, we need to do something about the crime problem in the cities that our people are living amongst. Obviously, Jan Smuts didn't really do much about it.
He mentions unsegregated cities. Why can Willem never see it from the other side? This is the problem with the apartheid revisionists. Black people were also displaced by the war. They were also living among people they did not know, even among different black tribes, because many of these people had not much interaction with the Boers, or Pedis with the Zulus, or Xhosas with the Tswanas, and so on and so on. They were also people who had lived in their own kingdoms, in their own villages, with low crime rates and order and peace.